Makatar poina koigi next topic ta relative velocity and later. Velocity ade koi khange relative hai targadi akoi in terms of koi ngangna the relative by the mari matai bani. Velocity ani hum layam doini akoina moi machine si mari lena handoina relate to handoina aduna relative velocity and height. So consider two objects A and B moving uniformly with average velocities VA and VB in one dimensions. Uniform velocity as a target, the acceleration will be 0. Acceleration the 0 or 2 go. I can also lane higher than x-axis. Then if XA and XB XA0, XB of 0 are positions of object A and B respectively at time equal to 0. Time is 0 imatamda sianisina A ga B ga position or imtargadi. Their positions at time t di kainan higher XA of t, XB of t. Smine higher. Ado itargadi stage the lies kainogi akoina tawgiba equation of motion da kayan tawgi x minus x naught equal to ut plus half at square and tawgi duni si x naught sina 0 or kan x equal to ut plus half at hoibni sina calculus method ta yawgimni sumaina adugi dunne abse laise at time equal to t ga at time equal to 0 the si sina som the thangdo aga and C is na kamay tawre C is na 0 sat kre maram di kay hinaw the acceleration is 0 uniform velocity ne apko khana ise adune jese laise velocity A gi particle gi na B gi na C is the light object B gi na equation of motion is sammaduni the displacement from object A to B is given by from A to B is na kamay pi re my displacement duna xb minus xa x2 minus x1 and akoina tawgib duni sinjalaku matam dadi kamai tawre aham bagi se sinjan bire dagi maning jong sinjalak tuini samgre kitang xa habidi xa of 0 plus vat minus xb of 0 plus VBT and lakadami. Sila ko mind tawre x ka punjana giva then velocity ga punjana give kaktane minus na sigi minus na ni lagali minus siga se. Equation 3.13 can be easily interpreted. It tells us that as seen from object A, object B has velocity c. Because displacement from A to B changes steadily by the amount see the measures and hyperhierarchy makada relative velocities e smaina position mayam toraga puthore imyam je karino haiba matamda example akoina khana matamda karam da tongaga laeng khalo som dagi mi amana som nakande ga laeng khalo moi ani phatlaw satna gi matamda kamain tawni speed se yangkhat pe helaktra adugumba yangkhal imyam do mana yengba su yangkhalam gani mana yengba su yangkhalam gani relative speed and height ne adubu kamain tawra swai dagi yengak pa amana di moi se dum some ordinary speed am khak chalam ba yai adubu sida tongna bamna di yam yang en udoine natraga nakanam dagi samana be speed ta thore engkhalo mana ba manung dagi som the yang matam da leng da bai type ta ubaya natra si mayam se relative velocity da loin singak toina other da si gi da yang sim velocity of object B relative to object A and hairam ta hana palliba do kwana palliba do khaidok na ni velocity of B relative to A hai ta v B A and represent tawre magi kenona VB minus VA and hani sina A or men kalo mathaki sina makai sina B or men kalo velocity of A with respect to B haram targadi V A B harakani V adu kai lakpa A minus VB ana lakpa ine smaina. Then makha tarakpo ini yangu moi ani si so V BA ka VAB ka si minus oina bani si dis irai line khang ni yangu si sida minus ka man lok theng khalo oi targadi VB minus VA na lakpini which is but VBA minus of VBA VAB the line khangaponi graph when yek targadi position time graph position and time graph kido in yek targadi kamai tawriyamo moise position time graphs of two objects which equal velocities manana velocities manana satmina targadi uniform way yango chap manana parallel way lay lay object with unequal velocities high targadi yango amana smine salamen khalo zum salamen khalo amana lage at some point sap manaram doini adu hengat ki doini amana tabi salam targadi sigi manaram bagi point duni se point duni se sida kaknari se aduga amana hengala chakki doini speed se kenara madi habni natraga sungyo yongna daba ma. Then mathangi sidana haisina kainu yangu position time graphs of two objects with velocities in opposite direction amana som da line khalo amana som chatlen khalo doi targadi smaina graph se opposite direction do ram targadi moi lakpuda su thengna doini at one point meeting point ni sida kaknari se si sida laijare sigi examples isu yengzen ba yai star si two parallel rail tracks run north south ta sina north hai si sina natraga makha wai de yek si somna north somna south hai si track ani lai hai bani two parallel rail tracks run north south train A moves from north with a speed 54 km per hour north sa leye A is in a train A is in a north sa leye with speed A is a V equal to 54 km per hour. Then mathang is in a kaya and B moves south with speed 90 km per hour amana B ni at 90 km per hour. What is the velocity of B with respect to A? I give the name velocity. That is the later. A give velocity, B give velocity in terms of kilometer per hour converted into meter per second. 54 km per hour. I have the 54 into 1000 divided by 60 into 60 seconds in a meter per second. Then 15 meter per second. Then B is the minus minus that this uneasy direction opposite A is a minus B is a positive nang allowing bagi makha policy 90 km per hour in on dopumatamna minus 25 meter per second velocity of B with respect to A. Velocity of B with respect to A minus VA. VB minus 25 ni minus VA 15 zina ani tin targadi minus 40 meter per second amana som zatle amana opposite lai ya doi targadi B dagi yangakpada moeni mo A sigi speed se kamai taramani yangzalamani natra or A dagi yangakpada B se yangzalamani speed se yang hengala ije adunani minus sina ta ije kaino amitam da direction duni plus se not on the z pasine lawgramni na minus the somna consider velocity of B is somna consider any with respect to A as minus in minus in the ice adu stage da leire. Next na kai hai velocity of ground with respect to b. Velocity of ground with respect to b hai targadi ground hai with respect to b. Velocity of ground minus velocity of b. Velocity of ground the length and level 0 minus b yadi kai chakre koi minus 25 ni b ana magi na kai tare 25 meter per second hai to tarani. Next question na kai hai velocity of a monkey running on the roof of a train against its motion with a velocity of c with respect to the train. Velocity of monkey with respect to train z 18 km per hour. Velocity of monkey with respect to train is kya ne manu se hai gibda minus 18 km per hour hai against the door mina against is motion hai mina ega as an observed by कोई नुसे पुथोक तो इसना कहीं ना velocity of a monkey पुथोक तो इनी कनान उदयबा observed by a man standing on the ground. Velocity c is the ले जा रहे मागी formula इना कहीं होगी vm minus va equal to minus 18 km per hour hai do ina ado itare di kai tare koi va ga di khangi dai na vm jina koina pami ji vm hai tare ga di minus 18 plus va jela ani. What is va? Minus 18 plus va di kya da oh sigi na kilometer per hour na pirambani aduna ngai ko sigi 18 plus tok select ngai sida si se kya ga mana gi have do se sida sulai 18 minus 18 kilometer per hour sidi minus 5 meter per second siga mane na haire aduna si is easy oina kilometer per hour have di minus 5 meter per second have ni aduna koi minus 5 or minus 5 देखिए तो ऐसे ही थांगा दिया सुनना करना plus va have ni which is minus 5 plus what is va दी क्या था कि 15 meter per second ने ये बनी अदना कमाई तो है 10 meter per second कोई velocity of the monkey is माइन तार करनी है section तारे नोइना कहीं खोट पदा against का ना गई और पा कहीं सिगुम minus ओए नी का है बिदो सोई देना सिगी chapter सिगी ओए ना दी सिदा लोई रहे next ता कोई कहीं यंग से मतन chapter